Welcome to second video of the series of Africa's Big Five. This second video is about the giants walking the earth, none other than African elephants, the largest land mammals alive today. Most think of African elephant as one animal, which is not true. There are two species of elephants dwelling in Africa. African elephants, Loxodonta africana and Loxodonta cyclotis, are the largest land animals on Earth and are among the most iconic and fascinating species in the animal kingdom. They are native to various regions of Africa and are divided into two distinct species, the African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclotis, and the African savanna elephant, Loxodonta africana, each with its unique characteristics and habitats. African savanna elephant are usually larger than African forest elephants. Here is a detailed overview of the African elephant. Physical characteristics. Size. African elephants are massive animals, with adult males, known as bulls, reaching heights of up to 13 feet, 4 meters, at the shoulder and weighing between 5,000 to 14,000 pounds, 2,300 to 6,300 kilograms. Adult females, or cows, are smaller, usually standing around 7 to 9 feet, 2.2 to 2.7 meters, and weighing between 3,000 to 8,000 pounds, 1,400 to 3,600 kilograms. Trunk. One of the most distinctive features of an African elephant is its elongated trunk, which is a fusion of its nose and upper lip. The trunk is incredibly versatile, serving multiple purposes, including foraging for food, drinking, communication, and even as a tool for lifting and manipulating objects. Tusks. African savanna or bush elephant have relatively curved tusks than African forest elephant. Tusks of savanna elephant are usually pointed upward. Habitat. Savanna elephants. These elephants are found in a wide range of habitats, including grasslands, woodlands, and savannas across sub-Saharan Africa. They tend to prefer areas with a mix of open grasslands and forests. Forest elephants. These elephants inhabit the dense, tropical rainforests of Central and West Africa. Behavior. Social structure. African elephants are highly social animals. They live in complex family groups called herds, typically led by a matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female. These herds can consist of females and their offspring. Communication. They use a variety of vocalizations, body language, and infrasound, low-frequency sound, to communicate with each other. This communication helps in coordinating movements and sharing information about resources and threats. Elephants are known to have great memory. Diet. African elephants are herbivores and have a varied diet consisting of grasses, leaves, fruits, and tree bark. They can consume large quantities of food daily, and their diet depends on the season and the availability of resources. Conservation status. African elephants are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Both species are threatened by habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and, most notably, poaching for their ivory tusks, which is highly sought after in illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures, including anti-poaching initiatives and the establishment of protected areas. Reproduction. Female African elephants have a longer gestation period, the time between conception and birth, than any other land animal, lasting around 22 months. They usually give birth to a single calf, though twins are rare. The birth of a calf is a significant event for the entire herd, and the young elephants are cared for and protected by the entire family group. Lifespan. African elephants have a relatively long lifespan, with individuals in the wild living to around 60 to 70 years. In captivity, they can live even longer. African elephants are not only a keystone species in their ecosystems, playing a crucial role in shaping their environments, but they are also culturally and economically significant in many African countries. Efforts to protect and conserve these majestic animals are vital to their survival and the health of the ecosystems in which they live. Stay tuned for next video of the series and tell us in comment which of the 3 remaining Big 5 would you like to see next. Subscribe the channel and like video if you are enjoying the series.